And breaking news coming in of how the government has hit back at Rahul Gandhi's foreign policy jibe. Chak Modi Mantri, who has taken on Rahul Gandhi and the attack on India's foreign policy. Kiran Rijiju, who has gone on to state that Rahul Gandhi parrots Pakistan's line in India. Rahul Gandhi had claimed that India's foreign policy is a fiasco. He had also gone on to say that External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar is destroying India's foreign policy. Listen in to how Kiran Rijiju has responded.
अरे राहुल गांधी जहां जाता है मैं कैसे रोक सकता हूं? मैं उसका मैनेजर तो हूं नहीं। ऐसा है, अभी पार्लियामेंट शुरू होने वाले हैं। पार्लियामेंट में जो भी विषय आएगा हम सुनेंगे और मेरा जिम्मेदारी है। मैं कल ही खड़गे जी और राहुल जी से बहुत अच्छा मेरा मीटिंग हुआ। बाकी सीनियर अपोजिशन पार्टी के लीडर से मेरा लगातार मीटिंग होते रहते हैं। मेरी जिम्मेदारी है पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मंत्री होने के नाते सबसे तालमेल रहे, लेकिन मुद्दा जो है वो चर्चा करके ही हम लोग उसका समाधान कर सकते हैं। हंगामा करने से तो कुछ होगा नहीं।
Alright, so this is the latest statement that has come in from Kiran Rijiju, where remember this is not the first time that the BJP has stated that when it comes to Congress and Rahul Gandhi in particular, who provides fodder to the adversary, speaks in the same language as Pakistan. And once again, as Rahul Gandhi hit out at External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, where he also called India's foreign policy a fiasco. Kiran Rijiju is the latest. He's hit out at Rahul Gandhi, once again saying that the Congress parrots the same line as Pakistan. Why is it that they trust the adversary over their own and do not take the same line in a united way? Once again, you heard that attack coming in from Kiran Rijiju after Rahul Gandhi mounted that attack against External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, calling India's foreign policy a fiasco.